you looking for the best nail hole filler? In this video, we will break down the top 6 nail hole fillers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hi there! Here at Tools Informer, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks with a buying guide for every category based on product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the product links down below in the description. And please, like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews and buying guides regularly.
If you are looking for a great nail hole filler that comes with everything you need, go for this high-strength small hole repair. It is extremely effective, and it won't shrink, sag, or crack. This is the top quality nail hole filler. The product is white in color, and it repairs hole sizes of up to 3 inches in diameter. The design of this filler is pretty easy, handy, and convenient. This product is that it comes with everything you need. That means the filler substance, a putty knife, and a pad for sanding. Plus, this filler substance is pretty versatile, working for a wide range of substrates including wood, stucco, drywall, and plaster. Whether you have ripped the shower bars off the wall, or just left small holes after removing wall anchors, the filler will do. It works for both nicks and holes. You should apply primer to help the filler stick. The amazing thing about the 3M filler is that it doesn't need a primer to be applied. It comes already primed, so you can apply it straight away. Moreover, to smooth the application, just close the lid and turn the bottle upside down. The flat side opposite to the lid is designed as a smoothing tool, and it functions flawlessly. The process of filling nail holes can be quite hassle-some, and you wouldn't want to make it more frustrating by investing more time into cleaning. But that's not something to worry about with this product, because it has been designed to be easy to clean, making it really convenient. For further convenience, the consistency of the spackling has been made in such a way that it makes it utterly easy to spread. Plus, it comes in a tube that is quite effortless to squeeze. Hence, you won't be facing any hassle at all while working at this time. You won't have to get separate products for exterior and interior uses, because this one takes care of it all for you. In fact, this one is regarded as the best exterior wood filler by many experts. It comes with a feature that sets it apart from the rest of its counterparts. And that is, it provides a signal that shows if the item is ready to sand or paint. Therefore, you won't have to check from time to time, because the stainable wood filler will let you know by itself. With this Carpenter's wood filler, you will be able to fill in the nail holes and the shilling strips on the wood floor. This filler is very popular with users. It is very effective for filling any nail holes and wood cracks. You will be able to apply this glue straightforwardly without any hassle. If it sticks to the surface around the designated area when applied, remove it so it won't hurt. Since it has a nozzle, you will feel more comfortable applying it than other fillers. Although this filler is flexible, it dries in a concise time after application. If you do not cover it well after the first use, it may freeze during the next use. Shake the filler a few times before opening the mouth, then there is no possibility of any problem. If you want to get a smooth finish, then you can choose this great tool. Give this filler a chance to heal in 12 to 24 hours, and always try to keep it out of the reach of children. While filler starts to harden in a few minutes, putty stays relatively soft and flexible. That gives you room to fix any mistakes you might have made. This is an excellent putty that works great for beginners. This product comes in a container that is quite different. To use this filler, you just scoop it out using a tool or use your fingers, which is more convenient. In addition, a lot of products come with harmful chemicals that affect the skin. What makes this product exceptional is that it does not irritate the skin at all. If you have a pet at home, and you have a wood floor or wooden furniture, scratches and gouges might be familiar. It comes in a range of shades. Actually, you get 10 colors to choose from, which include golden oak, walnut, natural pine, and more. The product only comes in a 3.75-ounce can, but you can order a pack of up to 5 cans if you need a larger quantity. This filler will dry fast, which will allow you to paint over it as fast as possible. This one-time lightweight spackling makes repairing walls and ceilings fast and easy. What makes it even more convenient as a product is that you will be able to use it anywhere around the house, because it is meant for both exterior and interior use. As a result, you won't have to spend extra money on getting a separate product for different applications around your place. No matter where you use this item, you won't face any hassle whatsoever, because it is quite effortless to work with. For instance, it spreads pretty easily, and you will be able to use it with any putty knife. With minimal effort, you will be able to bring in a professional look. For further convenience, the spackling requires no sanding whatsoever. All you will have to do is smoothen the repair flush where necessary, and that's about it. There are no additional tasks for you to take care of, and hence, you won't have to invest extra time or energy in this. With this one, there's nothing to fret about because, with one application, you will be getting a long-lasting repair. This repair will be permanent, as it won't shrink or crack. Using this drywall repair putty, you will fill in the holes and cracks in the walls. You can update your house or apartment by applying it once. It can fill wall plaster and wood holes brilliantly. It helps repair anything perfectly. This handheld applicator is compact and portable, so you can easily carry it effortlessly for work on any remote project. In general, it is especially suitable for keeping the handyman toolbox in the house. By applying this filler, you will be able to fit the ladder. If you want to fill any hole in your room, hold it in the designated place, and you will be able to fill those holes quickly without any obstruction. Filling your walls with plaster, cracks, and other holes with this filler will make it last longer. You will be able to apply the filler in a concise time. It is perfectly able to fill holes in walls and wood. Therefore, this putty is very effective in solving various problems, including holes, cracks in your walls. Overall, it is an ideal putty for filling holes and cracks in walls. It is also capable of strengthening the joints of your application. This adhesive is suitable for storing effortlessly.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.